Hello. So, in this video, I really didn't get that much footage of the actual shooting pigs. I got one good clip of it, and it's of my father shooting a pig. It really kind of sucks. I went to turn on the camera and found out that the battery was dead, or at least I thought that the battery was dead, and lost the other battery that I tried to put in. So I failed to capture any more footage of shooting pigs. So this is going to just probably be a short little video, mainly of a little bit of the helicopter flying. I'm going to put that clip in here. And if you're worried about the pigs dying in this case, it has to be known that pigs destroy the environment. They ruin it. And, words. They cost the farm owners a lot of money and destroy their land. Stuff like that. They just wreck it. I think I may have gotten some clips of the farming, and I'll be able to show you and point that out, possibly. But just know that it's a good thing that they're going. They're also invasive, so this is a good thing in case you're worried. Alright, that's probably going to be it. Bye.